Performing chip budding. To perform this procedure, you will need the following tools and materials: budding knife, grafting tape or any available plastic tie, rootstock with a healthy bud stick, and another rootstock. Identify the active growth parts of the plant. This usually found around the middle part of the stem, where the green and brown bark meets. Select a healthy bud stick from the one of the rootstock. Cut the bud in the half oval-like shape, set aside from the clean surface, bark side down. In another rootstock, make a half oval shape like cut with the same size as the first cut made. Take the first bud stick and place into the lips of the cut at the rootstock. You can adjust the cut if necessary. Tie the union. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of plastic to avoid water from coming in contact with the union. Cut the upper parts of the rootstock. Remove the tie when the bud starts to swell.